Hello students, kindly take out Standard 6 Social Science Part 2 Geography Chapter 3. The chapter name is Motions of the Earth. Dear students, now I am going to read this chapter and all of you listen to me. Every day we see the sun appearing in the sky. It rises in the east and sets in the west. It seems to be moving across the horizon that actually the sun is a stationary body. It is the earth that is moving on its axis around the sun. These two motions of the earth are called rotation and revolution respectively. Students, see, this is the picture. Motions of the earth. This is sun, earth rotation, here is moon, and revolution. Rotation. What is rotation? The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth rotates from west to east at a speed of about 1600 km/h. It completes one rotation in 24 hours. The path on which the earth revolves around the sun is known as orbital plane. The axis of the earth is inclined at an angle of 66.5 degree to the plane of the earth's orbit. Day and night. When the earth rotates on its axis, only one half of the earth's surface faces the sun at a time. The portion facing the sun experiences day, while the other half away from the sun experiences night. The circle which goes around the earth and separates day from night is called the circle of illumination. We can say that circle of illumination is an imaginary line which separates the lighted part of the earth from the darkened one. See, this is North Pole, South Pole, circle of illumination. The period of rotation is known as the Earth Day. This is the daily motion of the earth. The earth experiences each of these stages on one after the other: dawn, sunrise, midday, sunset, dusk, and midnight, and then dawn again. Dawn is the time just before the sunrise, and dusk is the time just after the sunset. Sunrise, sunset, the pictures. Tides. What is tides? Occurrence of tides in the sea is another effect of the rotation of the earth. During the rotation of the earth, when moon comes directly over its head, it causes the ocean water to rise upwards because of the gravitational pull of the moon. This is known as high tide. But when the moon goes farthest from the earth, the level of water recedes. It causes low tide. Tides occur twice a day. Do you know? Nicholas Copernicus was the first person who announced that the sun is motionless and the earth rotates on its axis. Effects of the earth's rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night, bulging of the earth at the equator and flattening at the poles, the deflection of winds and oceanic currents, occurrence of tides, the apparent movements of all the heavenly bodies from the east to the west. What would happen if earth did not rotate? If the earth failed to rotate, the portion of the earth facing the sun would always experience day, and the other side would always remain dark. The lightened side of the earth will become extremely hot and the dark side would be freezing cold all the time. Life forms would not be able to exist in such extreme conditions. The patterns of tides, oceanic currents, and wind systems would be very different from what they are now. Revolution. The second motion of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The path around the sun is known as the orbit. The earth's orbit is elliptical. It takes 365 1 by 4 days to revolve around the sun. The time taken by the earth to go round the sun once is called year. It is known as the annual motion of the earth. We count 1 year to have 365 days and ignore 6 hours. After 4 years, the 6 hours add up to become 24 hours a day. The extra 1 day is added to the month of February, making it 29 days. Therefore, every fourth year has 366 days, which is known as leap year. See, revolution of the earth. Now, perihelion. When the earth is closest to the sun around 3rd January, that point is known as perihelion. This is the picture you see, perihelion and aphelion. Perihelion 146 million kilometer, aphelion 151 million kilometer. Earth's orbit. Aphelion. The point where the earth is farthest from the sun around 4th July is called aphelion. Effects of the earth's revolution. The revolution of the earth causes varying lengths of day and night, changing season. Okay students, you read this chapter 128 and 129 and write down the main points and learn. Okay, thank you.